Little bacon trick for you guys and gals. Notice I have paper towel around this, an induction stovetop. But anyhow, I like to put this paper around here because it's safe to catch bacon grease, right? And then when this thing is done and I turn the heat off, I just start laying these papers inside to soak up the grease. Grab them with a spatula, flip them over, clean it up, set it in a bowl. I'll just show you, hang on. Yeah, I cut my bacon strips in half. Alright, so the heat's been turned off. Those paper towels in there. I don't save bacon grease. I know some of you will be like, that's blasphemy. I'm all about cooking clean. I don't want a huge mess afterwards. Plus, I got to reuse this pan here in a couple of minutes for eggs. Get you a little handy dandy bowl on the side. I'll let that cool. Do not put that in your trash can right now. You will melt your trash bag. All right, we're ready for eggs. Nice protein breakfast. Still cooling down. Ready for the next meal. And the meal is still hot. Minimum cleanup left to do. Good.